How to create a sports flyer design using Canva for beginners 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new video, and in this video I bring you back with yet another great design and art tutorial. And in this tutorial what we're going to be doing is we're going to be discussing about Canva and how you can use this amazing application, this amazing design software to create yourself one of the greatest looking sports flyers that you can. And not only that, you can create a whole lot of other things on Canva, but obviously in context of the topic of this video, we're going to be making ourselves a great looking sports flyer. You know, you may be needing a sports flyer for some upcoming sports event, or maybe you need it, just for a project or some school thing. You know, it could be many things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be explaining it to you how you can make it in the easiest way. So to start things off, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come here. We're on to, the main website of canva.com. Okay. Now, once you're on the main canva.com website, what are we going to do after that? So after this, what we're going to be doing is obviously you're going to sign up yourself. Okay. Now, I already have an account, so I'm not going to sign myself up, but I'd recommend that you should. Okay. I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google. Here's going to give me the whole sign in bit. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. And once you've done that, as you can see, it logs you straight in. Now, let's discuss a bit about the features of Canva. So right now, I am on Canva free plan. Okay. Canva has three different plans. Canva free, Canva Pro, and Canva Teams. Okay. Now, obviously, currently I'm on the free plan because I don't really need to, have the pro plan. But obviously, if you want to go ahead and take the pro plan, that's totally dependent on you. You can check it out in the plans and pricings. It's a really simple thing. It's a really easy thing, and you can obviously go ahead and check it out if you want to. But yeah, moving on, we're going to be doing to advance into the settings is actually learn how the interface actually works for Canva. So this is the main Canva interface. As you can see, a lot of things are going on over here, aren't they? So to start ourselves off, on the left hand side, as you can see, this is your main taskbar where you can see, your projects, templates, brand hub, apps, and all that. But we don't really need to, confuse ourselves with that. This is like these things you see over here and this up here. These are our main things. So this is the design spotlight where you can get different designs, different design templates that you can start making right now. So as you can see, you have the visual suite, you have docs, presentation, whiteboard, PDF editor, and a whole lot of other things to actually make. But if we scoot along over here in marketing, we can see logos, posters, flyers. It's right under marketing, and as you can see, you can start off the design. Now you can either choose it from here, or you can just simply come here and write flyer in the template section, and it's going to give you flyers. Okay, so obviously you have to choose what kind of flyer you want. It could be a landscape, it could be a portrait. That totally depends on you. Let's say I'm going to go with a portrait. Okay, portrait, looks more professional. So as you can see, these are your flyers. Now, obviously, we want to make a sports flyer. So obviously, I'm going to open a blank canvas in the new tab. Okay. Now, while that loads up, let me tell you this. You can actually get, like, if you just write sports flyer, it's actually going to give you great templates for a sports flyer. So wait, just make sure to reload everything. Sports flyer, there we go. And look at that. It gives you tons and tons of sports flyer templates. How cool and amazing is that? So obviously now some of these are going to be free, but some of these are going to be paid or for the pro plan. Now for the pro plan or paid, you're going to see them on the bottom right. It says pro. So you can't choose those, but you can choose the ones that have nothing on the bottom of it. So let's say this one. This one looks pretty good. So, or you know what? It's a sports flyer, right? Let's go with this, tennis tournament. So I'm going to show you one from a made template and one from blank. So let's first of all discuss the main template. Okay, now this is a template that we just picked off, and look how nice it already looks. But you could obviously make changes to it. So let's say it's not a tennis, it's a soccer. Okay, soccer tournament. And as you can see over here, you can see tennis balls. Okay, now this is a tennis ball. Let's remove that. Let's remove these rackets and let's add a football. How do you add a football? You're going to go to elements. And once you go to elements, just write football in the elements. There we go. And there we go. There's a football. And you're just going to add a football over here. And as you can see, these are also tennis balls. We don't really want that. Let's get these out and let's add a few footballs over here as well. So add this over here. There we go. Then we're gonna copy this, paste it. and then just make sure to keep it aligned with that. And there we go. Yeah. So, great stuff. And yeah, it looks nice. I think it looks pretty better than what it was. And then obviously, you can add some soccer players if you want to. So let's say I'm gonna write soccer player. There we go. And you can add, yeah, look at that. If we add this person over here, right over the football, looks pretty nice. And then you can add more graphic arts, like adding person over here. And then you can also reverse this and add this on the other side. I'm just like free throwing this from the top of my head, but you basically get the point. So, you can make it just like that, soccer tournament, and then write whatever details you have, and then write your, prize money and stuff. And yeah, you should be good to go. But then comes the blank canvas. Okay, to make it on a blank canvas, obviously, first of all, we're going to choose a background color. I'm going to choose this. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to add our text, choose a good font. Let's say I'm going to go with this one. Okay, so we're going to bring it up here, centralize it. There we go. And let's say it's a hockey tournament. Hockey tournament. Add that, select all of this. You're going to centralize it. There we go. And then we're going to come into elements, and then we're going to start adding hockey elements. Okay, so we're going to search hockey. There we go. Look at how cool that looks. Just add this in the middle. There we go. And obviously you can change the color of the art too. Let's say I'm going to make it white, and we're going to keep this here, and then you can just add more art if you want to. And once you've added all the arts that you have or you want to, and then you've added all the text from there on out, and like once you've properly made your flyer, you're going to come here. You're going to click on share in the top right. You're going to come down on download. Here's your file type. Choose whatever file type you want for your flyer. I would recommend a PNG. Okay. PNG is just the best quality. And once you do that, click on download. And once you click on download, you're just going to wait for it for a few seconds. And there you go. Your PNG has been delivered. It's downloaded. And there you go. From here on out, you can print it. You can send it out to people or whatever you want. But yeah. That's basically how you're going to make a sports flyer on your Canva.
So, I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guide for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. Yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.